Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Basic to Finance. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable Pancake swap on Trust Wallet using Android. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. In order to enable Pancake swap on Trust Wallet using Android, simply tap Open Trust Wallet app first. Once you're logged into your Trust Wallet account, simply tap on the Dapps option at the bottom of the screen and now tap on Pancake Swap. Press the Connect Wallet button in the top right hand corner, which will take you to this pop-up appearing on the display. Tap on Wallet Connect from this page and now tap on the Connect button in the pop-up. On the next page where it says Connect, finally tap on the multi-coin wallet option over here and choose one of the network from the existing list. Once you're done, tap on the Connect button at the bottom of the screen and you have enabled Pancake Swap on Trust Wallet. If you'd like to disconnect from that, you can tap on the back button at the top left and tap on OK. That is how you can easily enable Pancake Swap on Trust Wallet using Android. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.